Hey everyone, it is dinner time at our house and Matt was able to go to the store and pick up some pork chops. So tonight we're going to do something a little bit different. You know that we were gifted an air fryer last year for our birthdays. So we thought, you know what, just for fun, let's do pork chops on the air fryer. So it's not just an air fryer and we're not air frying the pork chops themselves. Ours is a Ninja FOODIE grill, and again, that was a gift, not a sponsor. It also grills things. We've grilled burgers on it. We've air fried like everything I can think of on there that could possibly be air fried. But this time we're gonna try the grill setting and cook some pork chops. Oops. So that is it for showing how we air fried pork chops for dinner tonight. I guess technically we grilled them indoor grill on our air fryer. We didn't do a lot of talking because we were both like so tired. So we just kind of showed how we did it in the step by step, but we hope that it was able to still help you. Speaking of help and speaking of pork chops, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you for helping our baked pork chop recipe receive over 500,000 views on YouTube. That is a huge deal to us because we just, it's all thanks to all of you. We can't do what we do without all of you. So thank you so much for helping us to reach that milestone of over 500,000 views on our pork chop video. If you haven't seen that one yet, I will link it up in the cards and you can go and watch it after this one. There's actually a part 1 and then we did an updated part 2 when we had our newer camera and to actually show a little more detail of cooking it. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love, and we will see you next time.